Finding a business's employer identification number doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you need it for tax filing, business verification, or legal purposes, there are several free and legitimate ways to look up an EIN. An employer identification number, or EIN, is a unique 9-digit identifier assigned by the Internal Revenue Service to track business tax compliance. Think of it as a social security number for businesses. Companies use EINs for tax filing, opening bank accounts, applying for business licenses, and establishing business credit. The most straightforward way to find an EIN is to check tax documents. If you're an employee or contractor, look at your Form 1099 or W-2. The EIN appears in the top right corner, alongside the company name and address. For publicly traded companies, the Securities and Exchange Commission's EDGAR database is an excellent free resource. Public companies must file periodic reports with the SEC, and these documents include their EIN. Simply search the company name in the EDGAR system to access these filings. State business registries offer another valuable lookup option. Most Secretary of State websites provide business entity search tools that may include EIN information. While not all states disclose EINs publicly, these databases can provide other useful business details that might help in your search. If you're looking for a nonprofit organization's EIN, the IRS offers a specialized tool called the Exempt Organization Select Check. This free service allows you to search for nonprofits by name and access their tax identification numbers and other public information. Sometimes the simplest approach works best. Many businesses will provide their EIN if you contact them directly and explain your legitimate need for it. This is especially true if you require the number for tax filing purposes. For business owners who have lost their own EIN, the IRS can help. Call the Business and Specialty Tax Line at 800-829-4933. After verifying your identity, an IRS representative can provide your EIN over the phone. Be cautious of third-party websites claiming to offer EIN lookup services for a fee. The IRS provides EINs for free, and legitimate searches can be conducted through official government sources without payment. Avoid services that request sensitive personal information or charge unnecessary fees. Commercial databases like Dun & Bradstreet or LexisNexis Business Insight can be useful for professionals who frequently need to look up EINs. While these services typically require paid subscriptions, they offer comprehensive business information beyond just EIN data. Remember that while EINs are generally considered public information for businesses, they should only be used for legitimate purposes. Unauthorized use of tax information could constitute a federal crime. With these various lookup methods at your disposal, finding an EIN should be a straightforward process. Whether through official government databases, tax documents, or direct company contact, you now have multiple pathways to access the business identification information you need.